An Outpost of Progress and How to Read Literature Like a Professor relate to each other in violence. When Foster's chapter Violence says that the type of violence such as specific injury, he means that the author caused characters within the text to cause physical injury to themselves or one another. An example from Outpost of Progress is when K-Art hangs himself with a leather strap from a cross. This is an example of a physical injury to a character or a physical injury to someone else. Araby and How to Read Literature Like a Professor relate to each other in the terms of blindness. Foster says that blindness is a physical representation. He is suggesting that it can be metaphorical blindness to circumstances. In Araby, it talks about an uninhabited house of 2 stories stood at the blind. This is a metaphorical blindness caused by both the reader and the character in the novel. The concept is both light and dark, which causes shadows, which blind people can see. Do not go gentle into that good night, and How to Read Literature Like a Professor relate to each other in symbolism. When Foster speaks about rivers as symbols, such as death, he is saying that words or sentences can symbolize death without using the actual word. From Thomas's Do Not Go Gentle into That Good Night, he uses many symbols to represent death, such as rage against the dying of the light. The symbol in this is the dying of the light. The dying of the light is the end of the day when the sun goes down, which means his time is coming to an end.